जैसे आपके ग्रैंडफादर को ऑटोमेशन नहीं यूज़ करना है तो वो जाके सीधा स्विच को दबा देंगे और लाइट अपने आप कंट्रोल होगी। तो ये हमारा फ्लैगशिप प्रोडक्ट है और इसलिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए क्योंकि इसका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल हमारे एंटरप्राइज बिजनेस में भी है।
कंपनी ने वॉइस कमांड पर चलने वाले ऑटोमेशन सिस्टम को भी लॉन्च किया है।
Alexa, connect. On TV.
Switch on. एलेक्सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पर चलने वाला ये डिवाइस आपके आवाज पे काम करता है।
Open curtain. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो टेक्नोलॉजी से घबरा जाते हैं, वो उसको यूज करना शुरू कर रहे हैं। तो उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वॉइस का बहुत बड़ा रोल है और इसीलिए वॉइस टेक्नोलॉजी को एम्ब्रेस करने वाले हम लोग ना ही इंडिया में बट वर्ल्ड में वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट ऑटोमेशन कंपनीज हैं।
मोबाइल के जरिए अपने घर के अप्लायंसेस को चलाना, इसके हम
Good morning, everybody. I'm just wondering whether I should say good morning or a good afternoon to all of you. I'm Swati from Sylvan Innovation Labs, and I head the business in Sylvan. Sylvan is a Bangalore-based home automation company, and we have been providing home automation and IoT-based solutions to our clients and projects since 2008. We have been pioneers in giving indigenous solutions made in India. Our hardware, software, a lot of things are made in India. Today's topic, what has been given to me for the presentation is about great solutions. So I pose a question to all of you, what is a great solutions? Most of us think that a great solution is made up of a great product which looks aesthetically great, which has embedded latest technology, and it has n number of features. Yes, of course, a solution is made up of products and products should look great. But when I see it at Sylvan, we see what is a great solution. We talk about much more than that. A great solution is something which solves my customers' pain points. And who are my customers at Sylvan? My customers are people sitting here, you all developers, builders, consultants, and the architects. You are my customers, and my customers are your customers who will be ultimately living in those homes where the automation will be provided. Now it becomes a very wide solution, has to be a very wide range of solutions where I am able to satisfy you as a customer as well your customers also. Now if we take an example of a big project where there are several hundred homes and a project life cycle goes for 2-3 years, how do I make a solution which is repeated over a time and goes into each home where we don't know what kind of homeowners or people are going to come and live there. There can be families with 3 generations living in home, or there can be nuclear families, or those homes can be given for the rent where maybe bachelors are living. So a solution has to be something which satisfies everybody. Now is it possible to make a solution like that? Yes, it is possible that we make a solution which can be customized. So our major USP is that we understand what our customers go through when they design a project and what our customers need when they shift in the homes. So if you see on the left hand side, we have certain USPs which our solutions carry is modern and traditional coexistence, customizing of the solution, scalable and open standards. Now if you see in a home, in a building where 300-400 people are going to come and live, it is very important that I respect everybody's needs. There will be grandparents who might be living in a house along with the teenagers who are very tech savvy. So if my parent doesn't want to go and use the smart devices or app to control the home should not be felt unwelcoming to them. So what we have made the solution is that it works with the normal rocker switches. We don't require any smart switches to operate. Then another thing in our homes is that we have a lot of visitors coming in our homes. More than us, our maids and our helpers use our homes. So a home should be such that we enable both modern technology as well as traditional way of living together in our homes. Another is when people move in, everybody needs a customization. And every solution should be given to each home. It should be extended to the communities and it should fit well with the smart city concept where everything can be seen on a local platform where we can see the security alerts of each home to the as a central place. And it is very open standard solution where with whatever devices my end customers are using, say any TV, any fridge, any microwave, any type of devices, any kinds of lights, I should be able to dim. So solution has to be devised keeping into mind my end customers. Then one of the main challenges what as a consultant on architects, people or project managers find is that how fault tolerant is the solution. Again, our solution is made into keeping into mind Indian scenario where still we have infrastructure at very evolving stage, power infrastructure as well as internet infrastructure, everything is very at initial stages. So we have to have a solution which caters to all the low kind of, it should be a robust solution. Similarly, now if there are 300 homes and I have to maintain them, how I can't have a calls on continuous calls supporting those customers. So we have devised a method where we can do a lot of remote maintenance. A fault which can happen later on will be informed to us earlier so that preventive measurements are being taken care of. Another important aspect of our solution is hybrid technologies. We have solutions, wired solutions, wireless solutions, as well as we can use hybrid. So say a house is under construction, we can put conduit cables, so we go for a wired solutions. But say if we cannot do any cabling and all, we can go for a wireless solutions also. And each and every solution of ours is cloud enabled. So you get to know, control, monitor your home from your smart devices, from the apps. Another most important thing about the solution is that we understand that a project goes through a cycle of conception, design, execution and handover stages. So we take care of all the stages right from the day one. We work with you people shoulder to shoulder. We understand what it takes to make a complete project successful. And because of that, we have been able to work with a lot of builder developer communities and architects and have been successfully delivering many projects. These are some of our customers, Lodha, Tata Housing. We have been working with the Total Environment, Shobha, Prestige Group, NCC in Hyderabad. We have been working with Peninsula Land, with Hari Construction. So as I speak, we are working with around 35 developers and there are 40 projects which we are working with several hundreds of homes in each projects. These are some of our projects and there are around 10 communities which have gone live and people are using our systems. So we have around 700 people who are staying in our automated homes. As Sylvan, we go and meet our customers from time to time, the communities, and get a lot of insight from them to understand what is the need of end customers so that we can invite all those solutions into our future solutions. We are present through our partner network or directly in South Bangalore, Kerala, Kochi, Andhra Pradesh, Chennai, Coimbatore. And in West, Mumbai, Pune, Surat and Ahmedabad. In North, we are present in Delhi, NCR, Jaipur, Lucknow. And in East, we have presence in Kolkata, Guwahati and Bhubaneswar. Now coming to, we have been talking about in earlier discussions a lot on customization and need for Indian homes or Indian market. We do understand as Silvan that Indian homes are really different from as people live in Western countries. In Indian homes, single home is used by different people of different age groups or different profiles. In Indian homes, we have more of concrete, unlike in Western countries where they use a lot of wood. So a solution has to be made keeping in mind that concrete, how it behaves, how the wireless or Wi-Fi behaves with the concrete, because everything is now based on the networking here. Similarly, we have a solution based on, we have taken enough care how power and broadband is still evolving in India, and how our solution should cater to that. High power or power fluctuations should not damage our systems. And there is another very important aspect to our solution is community angle. So most of the time we find that in Western countries, when there is any security alarm or any this thing, it goes to either police station or fire system. Now that is not possible in India. So how do we enable a security system here? So what we have taken a community angle where we have an integrated property services manager. There is a dashboard which is available to the central security of that gated community, and in this dashboard he can see the all the alarms of all the homes, and appropriate action can be taken by them. So we are making the community, enabling the community to become more and more proactive in their own security. As we know, residential home automation system, it contains following management: entrance management, safety and security management, smart devices management, and music zoning. Coming to how we enable through all these managements through different products of ours, and the products are available for display. A demo is also available for display here. The following are our products. This is Cubo and Lumos. Cubo is a home automation hub, and Lumos is light control module. Light control module, it goes behind the switchboard, existing switchboard, so you need not have any special switches required. Your existing switches will work, and it enables your lights on, off, and dimming everything. Then we do have smart switches through which various scenarios can be created. You can have the lights on, off, AC, dimming, all these things can be done through these smart devices. Then we have relay controllers controlling your curtain, or your Ceres, which is a IR controller controlling your AC and your other IR devices like TV and all. This is a very interesting device, C-Bell. C-Bell is a video doorbell where you, when a visitor comes to your place and rings the doorbell, you see the video of the visitor on your smart devices. You can talk to the visitor, and if a digital lock is connected, you can actually open the lock for the visitor. Other than that, it can be used as a very different kind of solutions also. Like we have been using it, some people are using it for as a video panic switch in elderly homes, or for the nanny care for the children. This is a device Secure, which is a security controller, and it is along with different sensors which are placed across your in the home, safety and security sensors like gas leak detector, heat detector, burglar alarm system like door intrusion sensors and PIR sensors. It enables the security alerts as and when required on your phones, and necessary action can be taken. Now here is a very important point here. We generally perceive security system doing something when actually a security need is there. But as a system, what we have devised is, it is also an information system. Not necessarily always I should know that some burglary has happened and I should take an action. Say I am a working woman, I am in office, and my maid comes at 11 o'clock daily to do certain jobs, and then she has to leave at 12 o'clock. Now as and when the door opens of my house, I get an alert, the door was open, and then I get an alert, the door was again so and so time open. So it helps me to get connected to my home and understand what is happening at my home. And if required, I can talk to her, I can guide her what needs to be done. So this kind of system is more useful when I use it in a different manner from the traditionally what we have been perceiving the security system as. So those things are developed because we own the software and we can write certain different kinds of rules other than only the alert rules. Then we have a very good solution of music zoning where in a house various zones can be created for the music, and all the music is stored in the central location in the NAS server, and you can play any music through your smart devices in any rooms. So these are our products. As I explained earlier, that this is our IPSM, Integrated Property Services Manager, where say any alert happens in any district, the central security can review that alert and then can take necessary action. Now we have been talking about controlling our homes through apps, but that is present. The future is going to be appless. That's what the people say. And what does that mean? That opening a phone and then using an app to control my homes is also a pain actually. The actual automation means that things should happen automatically. We can schedule the things that so and so time, so and so things should happen. My geyser should get switched on at 6, switch off at 9 o'clock. Or we can have, say, voice controls, which was shown in the video also, where I can talk to the system, where it is very easy for the elderly people and all, or the disabled, or people who are on the bed, just talk to the system, switch on the light. The light gets switched on. So those kind of scenarios are coming in future. And then another is IFTTT, if this then that. That if this thing, this kind of scenario is that the system should automatically take action to do certain things. So these are the new things which are happening in the automation market, and we are taking it up more and more to bring it to our customers, and the solutions what we are providing is backward compatible. So whoever people are living in our communities, all these solutions whenever they are coming, we are able to help them with our latest technology. This is about Amazon Echo. We have a tie-up with them, and then we are one of the first companies in India to do the integration of Amazon Echo with home automation system. Other than residential, we work for offices automation, office lighting, energy system, conference room automation. We work for hospitalities, where in-room automation can be done. In in-room automation and hospitality, the big thing catching up is the voice control. Because when you go to a hotel room and you are staying there just for one day, I mean it's really difficult to work on those switches and understand what switch has which light and all. Then I don't know what channel is, which channel is NDTV or which channel is Times and all. So I can just speak to the voice control system and say put NDTV. So NDTV can come. So it becomes more and more very intuitive system to use through voice controls. Then we are working with a lot of commercial spaces, retail customer and distributed spaces like banks, ATM, educational institutions. Those are same products what we have shown in a different manner, in a different scenario can be used just by changing their feature set or changing the software in that. This is what I told about guest room automation system. Then this is about office lighting automation system, where we can go for reducing the electricity bill, very easy maintenance, and at the central place we can control, the facility manager can control all the lights. Then we have conference room automation solutions. So basically coming to how a great solution is evolved is that we do it with simplicity and smartness. We try to do solutions for solving real life pain points of our customers. Our products are great with reliability. They are very easy and simple for installation. We do a very professional execution of the systems. They are low maintenance cost systems and very easily scalable and upgradable solutions. Thank you.
Are your systems compatible to IoT?
Yes, so IoT is Internet of Things,
Right.
and all our systems are cloud enabled, and so they are IoT. In fact, they are IoT.
Yeah, so where do you actually store the information, like the database of it? Is it like locally stored, or is it the main server?
So see, certain decisions are generally taken locally, and certain decisions go to the cloud to be taken. Like say all the commands through Alexa, voice commands, they go to the Amazon cloud and then they are enabled. While what we try to do where we don't need actually internet and home, so that a scenario doesn't come when anytime when internet is down, the things don't work. So many of the things are locally also stored. Like in office automation, when we provide automation for the energy management systems, so a lot of data is stored locally on the light control module itself, so that any failure of internet or anything doesn't impact. So that is why when I said that the solutions what we provide cater to Indian lifestyle is that we take care that enough information is stored locally also, so that any problems with the internet doesn't hamper the day-to-day living of the people. So it's a combination, I should say.
And it has an internal feedback mechanism to learn its own behavior.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Gupta. So we'll have a small break of 10 minutes for your coffee.